Smarty Rhymes TV. Putting toys away is good. Leaving toys scattered is bad. Drinking water is good. Drinking soda is bad. Wearing a helmet is good. Not wearing a helmet is bad. Washing hands is good. Touching face with dirty hands is bad. Saying sorry is good. Refusing to apologize is bad. Putting trash in the bin is good. Throwing trash on ground is bad. Helping is good. Ignoring is bad. Eating fruits is good. Eating chips is bad. Organizing books is good. Leaving books on floor is bad. Quiet is good. Loud is bad. Turning off lights is good. Leaving lights on is bad. Eating breakfast is good. Skipping breakfast is bad. Exercising is good. Being lazy is bad. Washing hands is good. Eating with dirty hands is bad. Keeping clothes tidy is good. Leaving clothes on floor is bad. Sharing is good. Being selfish is bad. Cleaning is good. Littering is bad. Helping is good. Refusing to help is bad. Eating vegetables is good. Eating junk food is bad. Tidying bag is good. Leaving bag messy is bad. Helping is good. Ignoring is bad. Helping in kitchen is good. Ignoring is bad. Watering plants is good. Breaking plants is bad. Brushing teeth is good. Skipping is bad. Organizing toys is good. Leaving toys scattered is bad. Sharing is good. Selfishness is bad. Cleaning desk is good. Leaving desk messy is bad. Putting shoes away is good. Leaving shoes on floor is bad. Wearing helmet is good. Not wearing helmet is bad. Eating fruits is good. Eating chips is bad. Watering is good. Breaking is bad. Tidying books is good. Leaving books on floor is bad. Putting phone away is good. Playing games while studying is bad. Finishing homework on time is good. Delaying homework is bad. Washing hands is good. Eating without washing hands is bad. Eating healthy breakfast is good. Eating sugary snacks is bad. Cleaning toys is good. Leaving toys scattered is bad. Helping friends is good. Ignoring friends is bad. Saving money is good. Wasting money is bad. Using polite words is good. Using rude words is bad. Recycling is good. Wasting paper is bad. Carrots are healthy. Candy is unhealthy. Helping set table is good. Refusing to help is bad. Helping elders is good. Ignoring elders is bad. Cleaning is good. Littering is bad. Cleaning is good. Littering is bad. Feeding animals is good. Chasing animals is bad. Putting trash in bin is good. Throwing trash outside is bad. Cleaning window is good. Leaving it dirty is bad. Wearing seatbelt is good. Not wearing seatbelt is bad. Turning off water is good. Wasting water is bad. Helping pets is good. Ignoring pets is bad. Sharing is good. Not sharing is bad. Closing door quietly is good. Slamming door is bad. Helping elders is good. Ignoring elders is bad. Saving electricity is good. Wasting electricity is bad. Feeding birds is good. Chasing birds is bad. Cleaning shoes is good. Leaving shoes dirty is bad. Watering plants is good. Forgetting is bad. Organizing stationery is good. Leaving stationery scattered is bad. Using manners is good. Eating messily is bad. Keeping toys in basket is good. Leaving toys on floor is bad. Brushing is good. Not brushing is bad. Reading quietly is good. Making noise is bad. Sharing crayons is good. Not sharing is bad. Cleaning hands is good. Eating with dirty hands is bad. Planting tree is good. Breaking tree is bad. Planting tree is good. Breaking tree is bad. Drying clothes properly is good. Leaving wet clothes on floor is bad. Putting books in bag is good. Leaving books outside is bad. Sharing water is good. Refusing to share is bad. Arranging chairs is good. Leaving chairs scattered is bad. Giving flour is good. Ignoring friend is bad. Organized is good. Messy is bad.
This is the right way to hang your backpack when you get home. but dropping it on the floor is messy and wrong.
Exercise is good. Being lazy is bad. Polite words are good. Rude words are bad.